Today we are going to learn about efficient data cleaning in Pandas Excel imports, focusing on how to automate the cleaning process as data is read into Pandas, ensuring accurate analysis and reporting.
Welcome to our video on efficient data cleaning in Pandas Excel imports. Today, we'll explore how to automate the cleaning of Excel datasets as they are read into Pandas, ensuring your data analysis and reporting are based on accurate data. Cleaning data upfront is crucial, and with Pandas, you can streamline this process. By the end of this video, you'll have practical skills in identifying common data issues, using converters, handling missing values, and more. When importing data from Excel into Pandas, it's crucial to identify common data issues early on. These issues can include inconsistent data formats, missing values, and duplicate entries, all of which can significantly impact your data analysis. Identifying these issues at the outset allows you to address them proactively, ensuring that your final dataset is clean and reliable. Tools like Excel's own data validation features can help detect these problems, but Pandas offers powerful methods for resolution. By understanding these issues, you can apply strategies to mitigate them, ensuring your data is consistent and ready for analysis. Converters in Pandas are a powerful tool for cleaning data during the import process. They allow you to specify functions that transform column data as it's read from an Excel file. This can be particularly useful for standardizing formats, such as converting all date entries to a consistent format or ensuring numerical data is read as floats instead of strings. By using converters, you automate the data cleaning process, reducing the need for manual intervention later on. This not only saves time but also reduces the risk of errors, ensuring your dataset is ready for analysis as soon as it's imported.
Handling missing values and data types is a critical aspect of data cleaning. Missing data can skew your analysis, leading to inaccurate results. Pandas offers several strategies for dealing with missing values, including filling them with a default value or dropping them entirely. Additionally, ensuring that data types are consistent is crucial for accurate calculations and comparisons. Pandas makes it easy to convert data types using functions like a type comma, allowing you to ensure that all numerical data is treated as such and strings are correctly interpreted. By addressing these issues upfront, you ensure that your dataset is both complete and accurate.
Consistent column naming is essential for both readability and functionality when working with data in Pandas. Inconsistent column names can lead to confusion and errors, especially in larger datasets or when collaborating with others. Pandas allows you to easily rename columns using the rename function, which can be applied during the import process. This not only standardizes your dataset but also makes it easier to reference columns in your analysis code. By automating column renaming, you ensure that your dataset is clear and consistent, reducing the likelihood of errors and improving the overall quality of your analysis.
Pandas read_Excel function can be enhanced with custom functions to further automate the data cleaning process. By applying custom functions, you can perform complex transformations on your data as it is imported, tailoring the dataset to meet your specific needs. This might include normalizing data, handling specific formatting issues, or applying domain-specific transformations. The ability to automate these processes not only saves time but also ensures consistency across datasets. Custom functions allow for a high degree of flexibility, ensuring that your data is in the exact format needed for your analysis, right from the moment it's imported.
In any dataset, there are often rows and columns that don't contribute to the analysis and can be considered unnecessary. These might be columns that contain irrelevant data or rows that don't meet the criteria for analysis. Using Pandas, you can easily remove these using the drop function for columns and conditional filtering for rows. By removing unnecessary data, you not only streamline your dataset but also improve analysis speed and reduce memory usage. This process is crucial for maintaining a dataset that is both efficient and relevant, ensuring that your analysis is focused and accurate. Data consistency is critical for reliable analysis, and duplicate entries can undermine this consistency. Duplicates can skew results, leading to inaccurate conclusions. Pandas provides a straightforward method to handle duplicates with the drop_duplicates function. This function allows you to quickly identify and remove duplicate entries, ensuring that each record in your dataset is unique. By maintaining data integrity through the removal of duplicates, you ensure that your analysis is based on a consistent and reliable dataset. This process not only improves the quality of your analysis but also enhances the credibility of your results. Let's examine a real-world scenario to understand how these techniques are applied in practice. In this case study, we'll look at a dataset from a retail company that needed cleaning before analysis. The dataset contained issues such as inconsistent product names, missing sales data, and duplicate customer entries. By applying the techniques we've discussed in converters, handling missing values, and removing duplicates, the dataset was transformed into a clean and consistent format. This allowed for accurate sales analysis and improved decision-making. The key takeaway from this case study is the importance of a systematic approach to data cleaning, using Pandas to automate and streamline the process. In our second case study, we explore a financial dataset that required extensive cleaning. The dataset included financial transactions with issues such as incorrect date formats and incorrect currency conversions. By employing Pandas converters and custom functions, the data was standardized, with date formats aligned and currency values corrected. This clean dataset enabled precise financial modeling and forecasting. The impact of data cleaning in this scenario was significant, proving that a well-executed cleaning process is foundational for accurate and reliable financial analysis. The tools and techniques provided by Pandas proved invaluable in ensuring data quality and consistency. As we conclude our exploration of efficient data cleaning in Pandas, it's clear that the tools and techniques discussed today are invaluable for ensuring data quality. From identifying common issues to utilizing converters and custom functions, Pandas offers a comprehensive suite for automating the data cleaning process. The benefits of a clean dataset are significant, leading to more accurate and reliable analysis. With the skills gained from this video, you are now equipped to tackle data cleaning challenges with confidence, leveraging the power of Pandas to ensure your data is ready for in-depth analysis. Thank you for joining us, and happy data cleaning.